Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create QR code for YouTube channel. So first of all I'm going on my mobile phone, then select YouTube app. So here's a lots of millions of video available. So I click on any one. So I choose this Kevin channel, then skip this ad, then go to this channel section, then go to share button, again share, then click copy link, then go to URL, then click on QR code generator. You can choose any website for free. So some websites are 100% free and some websites are some free, so you can choose any option. So just go to this option, then paste URL. So I paste this targeted YouTube channel link, then download, click on download button. If you want to download this type of QR code, this is a paid, but if you want to download this QR code, it's 100% free. So I want to download free, so just click on download button, then again click on this download. So already download on my mobile phone, then go to open section, then you can see this is a QR code. When I screen this QR code on my mobile phone, I'm going on this YouTube channel. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.